Hi everyone! Welcome back to Ann Design Craft channel. Halloween is coming soon, and I'll be showcasing some fun Halloween crochet projects. This little pumpkin can be used as a decoration, attached to a headband, or sewn onto clothes to bring out the Halloween spirit. The tools needed for this crochet project are 4-ply cotton yarn and a 2.5 mm crochet hook. Let's get started! First, we'll begin by making a magic ring, leaving a tail to pull tight later. Insert your hook, make a slip knot, and chain 1. In the first round, we'll make 12 double crochets. Here, I'm using 2 single crochets to create the first double crochet instead of starting with 2 chains. I crochet 1 single crochet, and then make another single crochet on top of it. Next, continue with basic double crochets until you have 12 stitches in total. Then pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring, which will make the center smaller. Slip stitch into the first stitch to complete the round. And remember to pull the yarn tight. That's it for round 1. For round 2, chain 1, then work 1 single crochet and 1/2 double crochet in the first stitch. In the next stitch, work 1/2 double crochet and 1 double crochet. In the following 2 stitches, work a double crochet increase in each. Then in the next stitch, work 1 double crochet and 1/2 double crochet. In the following stitches, work 1/2 double crochet and 1 single crochet. We're now halfway through round 2. Continue with a single crochet, followed by a 1/2 double crochet, then another 1/2 double crochet and a double crochet. In the next 2 stitches, do an increase by working 2 double crochets in each stitch. Continue with 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet. And end the round with a half double crochet and single crochet. Slip stitch into the first stitch to complete round 2. Now, moving on to round 3, chain 1 and work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. One half double crochet in the next. And increase in the following stitch by working 2 half double crochets. Then, do 1 half double crochet and increase again with 2 half double crochets. Do 1 half double crochet. In the next 2 stitches, work 2 half double crochets in each stitch for a total of 4. Continue with single crochet. Next, do a slip stitch. And work 4 single crochets. Then slip stitch and make another single crochet. In the next 2 stitches, increase by working 2 half double crochets in each stitch. Follow with 1 half double crochet, then increase with 2 half double crochets in the next. Follow with 1 half double crochet, then increase with 2 half double crochets in the next. With 1 half double crochet, and 1 final single crochet. No need to slip stitch, simply hide the tail inside. Now we'll crochet the green stem. Insert your hook into a recessed stitch. Chain 1. Work 1 single crochet, then chain 4. Turn your work, and starting from the second chain, single crochet 3 stitches back. Slip stitch into the first stitch to secure. Cut the leftover yarn and fasten off. Next, we'll make the witch hat. Start with a chain of 8. Then turn, skip the first chain, and slip stitch in the second chain. Single crochet in the next stitch, and work 1/2 double crochet in each of the following 3 stitches. Single crochet in the next stitch, and finish with a slip stitch. Cut the excess yarn and work from the flat side. Starting at the 3rd stitch, Slip stitch and chain 6. Turn, skip the first stitch. Slip stitch in the second stitch. Single crochet. Then half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And finish with a double crochet. Slip stitch into the 5th stitch to complete the hat. Here the hat base is done. Use black and yellow yarn to add decoration to the hat. Once the hat is complete, sew it onto the pumpkin. Every Halloween pumpkin needs a face, so let's embroider a spooky one. Start with the outline using black yarn, then sew the mouth and finish with the eyes. Now your mini Halloween pumpkin is complete. You can even make 2 pumpkin pieces and sew them together to hide any loose yarn inside. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this cute and festive decoration. Have a spooktacular Halloween, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!